We have a big announcement today. Welcome everybody to the Joy of Trucking.
Hi there.
Remember, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you want to travel with us and hang with us. And our truck, we had Kenny Riggs, was very popular when you drove for Werner. And when we got this truck, we had a lot of pretty amazing suggestions from our viewers on what to name this red truck you now drive, this Freightliner with CRETE Carrier. And we did take a while to think about it, and I think it's time to announce the name. Kevin?
Yes. So, do you remember the Red Ryder little wagon you had as a kid? And this is a red truck, and I'm thinking Red Ryder, Red Ryder. And then I see on the door and on the trailers it says CCC, CRETE Carrier Corporation. This is the CC Rider. That's what this truck is. CC Rider. Remember the song? Remember Elvis did it? Oh, CC Rider. Yeah. Okay. We're going to call this truck CC Rider.
There you go.
There you go.
That's our official, very important announcement today. The 2019 Freightliner Cascadia CC Rider. You want to sing some more?
No, I don't.
Okay. You want to do the dance?
Elvis has left the building, honey.
Okay. Do the dance then.
Here's the dance. Thumbs up. Comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. See you down the road. Bye-bye.
Have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya and CC Rider.